So guys, as you can see here right now, my balance is actually 816 naira, and as you can see here, I have deposited 10,000 naira into this account, and it is actually giving me 860 naira every single day into my account. Now guys, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can actually make money on this platform. Literally doing nothing, just investing, because literally is an investor you refer friends to this platform. And that being said, guys, without any further ado, if you're new here, you're welcome. And to my returning subscribers, welcome back. Let's get into the video, guys. So, guys, the first thing you need to do is just to sign up on this platform. And as you can see here, this is the sign up page, and as you can see, it says create account. First thing you need to do is just to type in your desired username, your phone number, you type it in there, your gender, you put it either male or female, you put it there, and your country, you choose your country, literally Nigeria. And after that, you put in your email address, your password, and then you confirm your password again. You put in your bank name, your account name, your account number, then your upliner, then your upline mobile phone number. If you just click in the link in the description box below, it's going to fill up these two for you. These last two options, it's going to fill it up for you, and you are going to be doing it ASAP and for yourself. So literally, let's jump into the login space. This is the login space, and I'm going to log into my account right now. And as you can see here, my balance will still be there, 860 naira into my account. It will still be there because it has, as you can see here. So right now, guys, I've deposited 10,000 naira, as I said earlier. Let me show you guys the plan so you can see the plans which you can actually but first of all, let's go to the okay, so give it a while for it to load up, guys. And as it is actually loading up, guys, if you love this kind of videos, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, turn on the bell icon so you can get notified by YouTube whenever a new videos we publish to this channel, whenever a new money making video we publish to this channel. Guys, let's go to withdrawal space, and as you can see here, withdrawal is actually from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Mondays to Friday. The minimum withdrawal is actually 2,000 naira. Period. Like minimum withdrawal is 2,000 naira, literally into your account. And let's go. Alright, guys. So let me show you guys how you can actually deposit on this platform right now. And literally, you just click on your deposit here. As you can see, click here. And you still click on it again one more time, then you give it a while for it to load up. All right, so it is actually loaded up right now. As you can see here, the first thing you will see is your balance, then followed by the minimum deposit. The minimum deposit is actually 5,000 naira. As you can see it here. Yeah, let's literally say we want to deposit right now. I'm not literally depositing, but let's say we want to deposit. Let's say we want to deposit. Then you choose the plan. As you can see here, the VIP 2 is 10,000 naira, so on and so forth. That's how it goes and goes and goes. And yeah, so right now if I click on invest now, you just give it a while. As you can see here, this is their bank details, so you just copy the account number. UBA bank, as you can see here, is actually UBA bank, and as you can see the account name, Zicon Ames Trade Multi-Bs. And yeah, that's literally how it is. And the only thing you just got to do is just to send it and go back again. Just click on your back, and then you click on send proof. As you can see here, it says send proof of payment to admin on WhatsApp. So as you can see, they are not literally hiding, they have their admin on WhatsApp. So and you just click on this here button. It is going to be directing you directly into WhatsApp, and to chat with the admin. And that's literally it. And if you want to invest using cryptocurrency, you can invest using USDT. And this is the minimum, as you can see it here, is actually 11 USDT TRC20. And then you scan the QR code, or you send it into these wallets instantly, and then you come to this place and click on here. That's literally how to do it. And yes, guys, so just wait for the time when I will actually withdraw for myself, guys. All right, guys, so this is actually the interface right now, and I want to show you guys three things right now: the plans which you can actually invest on this platform, and also how you can actually refer your friends, and also how you can withdraw your money into your local bank account. Right now guys, you just swipe here in the dashboard right now, you just go down. This is the investment plans, and as you can see here, this is the VIP one, which is 5,000 naira daily. You're going to be getting 215 naira, and at the end of the day, at the end of the 7 days, because all plans here are actually 7 days, at the end of the 7 days, you are going to be getting your 5,000 naira and also your 215 naira times 7. That is actually 7,505 naira, 6,505 naira. And as you can see here, this is the 13,000 naira plan, which you're going to be getting, which 10,000 naira plan, which we're going to be getting 13,000 naira, 20,000 naira, which you're going to be getting 26,000 naira, 50,000 naira, which you're going to be getting 65,000 naira, 100,000, which you're going to be getting 130,000 naira, and also 200,000 naira, which you're going to be getting 260,000 naira, 500,000, which you're going to be getting 650,000 naira, 1 million naira, which you're going to be getting for 3,000 naira every day, and you're going to be getting 1,300,000 ROI. And literally, all these plans are actually for 7 days. 5 million naira plan, which you're going to be getting 200,000 naira every single day, which is 6.5 million naira in total, which you're going to be getting. 10 million naira plan, which you're going to be getting 13 million naira in, and 430,000 naira every single day into your local bank account. Literally, that's it. And let me show you guys how you can actually refer. Then the last but not least will be the withdrawal stage. Literally, if I click right now here, if I click on this page, as you can see here, it says referral earnings. I just click on it right now and it's actually loading up, and as you can see here, this is my referral username 377. That's the referral username 377. Don't forget guys. And then also, this is my link, which is still gonna be in description box below. Check it out for yourself and use it to make more money for yourself. Literally, let's go back to my dashboard right now, and I'm going to be showing you guys how you can actually withdraw. And that's literally everything for this video. After the withdrawal stage, literally, you want to actually withdraw right now, you just come here, click on total balance, and then you click it up again once, and you wait for it to actually load up. Then you, as you can see here, you click on bank deposits. When you click on bank deposits, they put in your bank name, your bank account number, your bank account name, and bank branch, amount. Then you click on proceed, and that's it for this platform. Thank you very much for watching guys, and I'll catch you all on the next one. Peace.